So, for those who are eager to learn, I actually made a simple tutorial on the basics of this design, like the hearts and the layering, okay? So if you are very keen in making the Sweetheart Surprise box cut, you can look at this tutorial first before I actually do a complete detailed tutorial on a similar design to the red one. I have a customer's order to do in December, so I can actually use that to make the video. I hope this video will actually help you guys. I understand that a lot of people are asking me to do tutorials, but I promise that I will try to do more. So yeah, please be patient. And another thing is that I made another separate tutorial using the same box cut on the pockets, you know, like the pockets in the box cuts that you see in some of my crafts, where you actually get to put more stuff inside. I don't know, I'll just call it pockets. It's mine, so I'll just call it whatever I want, okay? If you are very keen in the elements, I guess you can watch my waterfall cut tutorial first if you haven't. What did I want to say? It's actually not very difficult to do all these crafts, so do give it a try and don't ever think that you are not talented to do any art and craft stuff. Yeah, I feel that as long as you give it a try, you practice, you do a few times, or you just be patient, you'll be able to make a proper, okay, not a proper, like a craft maybe. And enjoy the video. 안녕. A quick comparison on these two products, the Rice Water Bright Lip and Eye Remover and the Innisfree Apple Juicy and Lips Eye Remover. I wanted to update my YouTube channel with this video, but it kind of failed, so I decided to write a longer post on my blog. So if you are interested in these products, you can read my blog for more info. I really recommend this product. Yeah, I don't really like this because it stings my eye. Like, there was once I actually cried. So I really hated this. I will never buy it again because, yeah, just wanting to share some good stuff with you guys. Everything is based on my own opinion, so even if you don't like the product, I hope you don't hate me. Yeah. Okay, enough said. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm going to do a compilation video soon on all my handicrafts. Not really all, but a few that I didn't post about or upload about. So please look forward. Yay! Thank you for watching. 감사합니다. 안녕.